Hi, welcome to the project demonstration of Android mobile phone controlled DC motor speed and direction controlling system along with direction monitoring and speed level monitoring on LCD display. So here we are using HC05 Bluetooth module interfaced to the PIC microcontroller PIC16F72. So directly initially we'll show you the demonstration and then we'll explain you the project execution. Component wise explanation. So before running execution this project, we need to install some applications, one application in your phone, so like HVS Technologies app. So and after that, after installing the application, just give the power supply to the main motherboard, and then so you can see that the blue light, the red light indicating on the Bluetooth module, it's fast blinking, and then go to settings. So we need to pair this Bluetooth module initially from the settings only, and then after from the app. So if is there any previously connected SC05 modules, so just disconnect them, and we need to pair it from the settings. And if it is asking for any password initially, then the password is going to be the 1234. So it is a predefined one, and after pairing successfully done, then go to our app, and here we can see the 4 arrow marks up and down, left and right. So the up and down is means in order to control the increment and decrement the speed of this DC motor, and the left and right arrows used to change the direction of this DC motor. So now go to options. So hold the button, so you'll get the connect to the SC05, and we need to connect the battery also. So initially there is no direction because we need to set the direction initially. So here I'm going to set the direction of, so the speed is very less. So by pressing this, we can see the duty cycle is increasing and one light is blinking on the motherboard. It is confirming like we are reaching the data. So we keep on touching that, you can see the incrementing happening on this LCD display. It will be maximum of 300 duty cycle. Okay, so now I want to change the direction of this DC motor. So direction also changed, so you can see the backward and it is in forward. So I am decreasing this now. So with low speed also we can change the direction so that we can observe that clearly. Right, and now I want to change the direction backward and forward. So in this manner we can control the speed and direction of this DC motor from the Android mobile phone app through the Bluetooth communication. So coming to the kit explanation, so as I said that is a SC05 Bluetooth module interfaced at B0 P1 of the pins of this PIC microcontroller. So it is as we discussed initially, it is a 16F72 microcontroller. So from this directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply directly. So this capacitor, while the kit is running, is the voltage fluctuations occurred. So the capacitor will neutralize these fluctuations, and this is the reset switch in order to restart the microcontroller. So from starting onwards. So and the crystal oscillator we are using 20 megahertz. And this is a program LED indication as it blinks initially 2 times, and there is a power LED indication. These 2 LEDs are with 330 ohm resistors and 9 volts battery we are providing for this motor to working rotation in forward backward. And this is the H-bridge circuitry. So with this H-bridge circuit we can control this DC motor direction in clockwise and counterclockwise, and also we can provide the PWM signals from the C2 pin of microcontroller and C0, C1 are used to change the direction of the DC motor, and C2 is to control the PWM input to this DC motor. By changing the duty cycle, we are going to decrease and increasing the DC motor speed. And the duty cycle means it's changing the on time and off time. And a micro 16:2 LCD display interface at B2 to B7 of this microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration one more time finally. So after disconnect, if the mobile phone disconnected from this system, then the blinking rate will be increased, and once it's connected pair from the app, then the blinking rate will be the slow down. So connect SC05. As mentioned, the direction first of all, and then only we can go with the increment and decrementing speed of this DC motor. Right. Okay. Thank you for watching demo.